Hello traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis. Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. Today is the 24th of August 2012, and the time in London is 1 p.m. This video is about 13 specific stochastic patterns. A pattern is a distinctive style, model, or form. Sometimes a pattern is a plan or a diagram or a model to be followed in making things. Three things are important in trading, ladies and gentlemen. The setup is the first one, the signal, and the entry point. Without excellent setup, one is likely to make a trading a wrong decision. Patterns expose the best trading setups and allow traders to make consistent, accurate decisions. Nothing else. One will give priority to bullish signal when one recognizes a valid bullish setup, and one will give priority to bearish signal when one recognizes a valid bearish setup. Our goal is to give to traders trading tools that work and to build a new team of traders that understand the language of the price and the market. At the end of this video, one will be able to grasp the subject of 2-4 stochastic patterns. I invite you now to follow me into the next part of this video when we will discuss stochastic patterns.
Thank you
See
for
you
watching.
in the next video.
Welcome back. Let's get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Many traders can trade, but do not have a focus to achieve a success in anything. One must be able to focus. The first thing I want to focus on is the setup. Without a setup, without a valid setup, one is likely to make a wrong decision. You want to know whether you have a bearish setup or a bullish setup. When you have a bearish setup, you want to give priority to bearish signal. When you have a bullish setup, you want to give priority to bullish signal. The setup is the first thing. Talking about the first three things, we are talking about the setups, the signal, and the entry point. You want to enter the trade, at a low risk point. My apology for this. I'll remove this straight away. Okay, so three things are very important: the setup, the signal, and the entry point. There are other three things that I want to talk to you about. Is what we call the market stable data. The second one is the trading triangle, and the third one is the ability to trade. So the first three things, we are talking about the setups, the signal, and the entry point. Another three things I want you to remember is the market stable data, the trading triangle, and the ability to trade. Remember that, as I said to you, to achieve success in anything, one must be able to focus. When one is trading, one must focus on the market stable data first, then the trading triangle, and focus on the ability to trade. Then, as I told you before, the setups allow traders, okay, to recognize the best trading opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to this, what I'm going to say here, okay? On this chart here, as you can see here, you can see that I draw some line which I've done in front of traded a few months ago, okay? And you can see all my drawing. This is a pattern, all right? This video is about 13 stochastic pattern, but I want to show you the importance of patterns. Here we have a pattern that I like to call a diagonal move, vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. Those who have been watching our video know what I'm talking about. We have here Apple stock. Few months ago, I draw my line because I recognize a bearish pattern. I draw lines here for traders to explain to them, okay, this a pattern. And we notice that, okay, we go to the quarterly chart. I want to change my time frame now. I'm going to the quarterly chart where I was, you see. So this was my drawing here. This is a typical pattern about okay, diagonal move, vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. Now, as you can see, as I draw the line here, we were somewhere here. You can see that Apple stock went down. Okay, it was somewhere in the region of 640, around that zone, and from that one it went down to 5 to 7. All right, that's more than $100 move to the downside. All right, so this is a pattern. With this pattern, I know that okay, I recognize a bearish pattern, and I want to give priority, okay, to okay a bearish signal. All right, as you can see here, the price went down $100. That's a lot of move to the downside for this company. As you can see here, this is a pattern. I want you to pay attention to another stock, talking about the same, okay, the same scenario. We're looking at okay, McDonald's stock. My apology for the pop-up on my screen, okay. And the same scenario we see for McDonald's. You can see the same drawing. It's a pattern, just a pattern, diagonal move, vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. You can see we were somewhere here when I draw this in front of traders, and as you can see, the price is coming down, okay, near the opposite diagonal. I want to show you another stock that is extremely overbought right now. But as I explained to you, three things are important in this market, okay? The market stable data. As one want to sell, one must look for, okay, valid reason to sell. You don't go and sell because you recognize the pattern. The pattern is giving you a warning, okay, saying to you, ladies and gentlemen, be careful. This is a bearish warning. So the price may continue the movement to the upside, but you know that there is a bearish warning. So you are going carefully, okay? You are not just rushing to trade and end up losing, okay? But then you know that there is a warning, and if you see it happening, you will take advantage of it. This is, okay, the advantage of patterns. We have recognized 13 ladies and gentlemen, 13 specific stochastic pattern, okay, and these patterns, okay, are powerful patterns that allow traders to recognize setups. Setups gives warning, as I explained to you, the setup, the signal, and the entry point. The market stable data, the trading triangle, and the ability to trade. All right, this is another stock here. I'm going to draw again a line in front of everyone on this screen, okay, and I'm going to talk about the same pattern that I talked about before, okay, diagonal move, vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. We can see this stock, Ross store. This is in America. Now, I'm not telling traders to go and sell this stock or to buy this stock. All I'm telling traders is that there is a warning taking place here. All right, one must check the fundamental, the market, okay, and as I explained to you, the market stable data, the trading triangle, and the ability to trade. The trading triangle, this is about, okay, the market first, the sector before the individual financial instrument. The heart of the trading triangle is the leaders, the news, and the fundamental. As we have seen recently, for those who have been trading the Euro USD, you have noticed that there was a lot of news that propelled the Euro to the upside recently, okay? Though we recognize that the Euro, okay, went down, as I was telling traders before, into the zone of, okay, near the 1200 and start going up now. But anytime the price going up, after the first wave, we must have the second wave. We are expecting a healthy pullback for the Euro USD. But as you can see, the new was propelling the Euro to the upside. This is about the inside trading a triangle, okay? My apology to traders. Now, I don't want to stop the video and deal with this pop-up. That's why I allow it to come from time to time as it's going on, because I don't want to stop my video, okay? So I'm drawing out this in front of you. My apology to traders. As you can see right here, you can see right here, okay? And I'm doing, again, the same drawing that I've done before. Diagonal move, okay? Vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. As always, I color the opposite diagonal. I'll color it now in front of you into orange. That's the opposite diagonal. There is a support level here that I told traders, always do not discount it. There is another support here. This is the horizontal line here. I'll color it this time in blue. 1 second, please, ladies and gentlemen. As I'm going through this very fast, and the price is now here. What I will do, as I'm doing this here, I will draw another line here, and I'll put it like this right in front of you. That's what we are. Now, some traders may say to me, George, I'll go and sell. That's completely wrong. Okay, as I explained to you, the setup, the signal, and the entry point. That's the best way to go forward. You do not want to force a pattern on the market, okay, and also respecting the market stable data, the trading triangle, and the ability to trade. As we have seen for this is another stock, when the price is at a resistance level, if the price break above the resistance level and retest it and turn around, it means that the bullish momentum is continuing. In the uptrend, the price must display higher lows and higher highs until the price fails to display a new higher high. This is the language of the price. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the price does not always trend. In the downtrend, the price must display lower lows, lower highs. Okay, if we see the price displaying that, we are in a bearish channel. Three things the price doing: horizontal channel, rising channel, declining channel. Nothing else, ladies and gentlemen, nothing else. All right, nothing else. All right, so this is about another stock, Epic ROST, Romeo Oscar Sierra Tango. Okay, Ross store, and I draw again the same pattern here. As I explained to you, one must keep eyes on the price itself, the number one indicator. We're going back again to Apple stock. Okay, here again, as you see, as I draw this, I mean, this is my previous slide that I drew last time for Apple stock. You can see that now the price break above the resistance level and continue the movement to the upside, which means in the language of the price start displaying higher lows and higher highs. On the weekly chart, what do we see? If we start drawing line on this weekly chart, we can see that the music has changed. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see? The music has changed. As the price roll it down first time, it found a support here, tried to go up, now it started to go down, it couldn't go down. Now it displays higher low and start going down. If Apple stock start displaying lower lows, lower high, we know that it's becoming more bearish. Very often, sometimes, you will see it where the price, the number one indicator, we try to violate the pattern, we go up a bit, only to come back down to retest slowly but gradually. Very often, the price will try to retest, okay, the opposite diagonal, or at least the median line of the diagonal, the vertical move, which is somewhere in this region, which Apple did retest already. All right, this is just to show you one example of a pattern, why patterns are so important in the market. There are many patterns in the market. The area wave patterns. Few years ago, a man sat down and was looking at the price and understanding the psychology of the mass, and has given to the market the area wave theory, 5 wave, 1, 2, 3. When we see the price move 1, 2, 3, we know that this is a corrective move. 5 move, we know that this is 5 move, this is impulsive move. And we know also overlapping 5 move, this is a correction, A, B, C, D, E. Ladies and gentlemen, my apology again for the pop-out, which I don't want to deal with right now, as I'm continuing with my video, which is more important than the pop-up. All right, I invite you now to follow me in the next video when we will talk about a stochastic patterns. This video is about 13 specific stochastic pattern. See you.
Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for watching. Let's continue with this video about 13 specific stochastic patterns. A few years ago, ladies and gentlemen, I have spent my life watching the price, okay, trying to understand what is taking place in the market, okay. Before we continue, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. All right, so I was looking at the price and what's going on in the market to understand what is taking place. All right, over the years, I have discovered, okay, 13 specific stochastic patterns. As I show you already in the second part of the video about the diagonal move, vertical move, okay, retracement to the opposite diagonal. These are, okay, some of, okay, our observation powerful stuff. And we have, okay, identified, okay, excellent stochastic setups, okay, that traders, okay, can put into use, because the three things that we are talking about the setups, the signal, and the entry point. Without a valid setups, okay, one cannot, okay, make excellent trading decision. Okay. Also, if you have a valid trading tool, you will use it together with the setups. Okay. This is what we are talking about. All right. So 13 specific stochastic patterns. We have created a trading tool that we call 24SP. 24SP stand for 24 stochastic patterns. Okay, it's a trading tool. It's a trading material that reveals 13 specific stochastic patterns. We are looking now on the Euro USD currency pair on a 10-minute chart. You can see here it was going down, going down, going down. Okay. Yesterday evening, the stochastic has revealed okay, another bearish pattern for the Euro USD. It was not surprising to see today that the euro went down more than 60 pips today. There was a stochastic bearish pattern yesterday on one specific time frame. For confidentiality purposes, I will not trade which time frame these bearish stochastic pattern has appeared on. All right. So you see now, as you see today, we were expecting the euro USD to come down, and it's going down big time. All right. There was an overextension for the move to the upside due to the news. That's what we are talking about, the trading triangle. But there was a specific stochastic patterns that was exposed yesterday, and as I tell you, the stochastic pattern will expose the best trading setup. Last 2 weekends ago, 2 weeks ago, we posted a video on our YouTube channel that we titled Stochastic Pattern. Okay, and we talked today about one specific stochastic pattern. We received a lot of email from traders that were very, very happy and impressed with that a single stochastic pattern. But remember, there are not only 1 or 2 or 3 stochastic patterns. There are in total 13 stochastic pattern. 1 3. All right. So now you know it. Okay. This is what we call the 24SP. All right. With the stochastic pattern is not the signal. It's not a trading tool. It's not a trading system. Is the 24SP is a trading material. It's a trading tool, but it's not a trading system. It only reveals 13 specific stochastic patterns. Without these patterns, one cannot make consistent winning trades. All right. When the price is about to go down, the price will expose a specific bearish pattern. Either it's a Fibonacci pattern, or area wave pattern, or a stable data that has been violated, like a diagonal move, vertical move. The market will expose a pattern. This is why we talk about the language of the price. Okay, the price will expose, the market will expose the pattern. Those who keep their eyes wide open will recognize the pattern and will take advantage of it. I want to show you now, ladies and gentlemen, one specific pattern. This is not about stochastic. A pattern that I created myself. Okay, that I want to show you. This is the pattern. I have put it on our Facebook page. Okay, and I asked traders to look at it and note down what they are thinking. Okay, we see somebody who make a comment about it on our Facebook page. He was saying that it was letter H for hotel, 3-letter H. Okay, it's a good observation. It looks like H. All right, and I'll give it to you now so to look at it, okay, and to think what is coming to your mind. Okay, this is what we are talking about, keeping your eyes wide open. Okay, because the price communicating something to us, the indicators are giving us warning, and the setups give us the warning. We want to recognize them fast so we don't make a wrong decision. When we recognize a bearish setups, we want to give priority to bearish signals. All right. When we recognize a bullish setup, we want to be able to take advantage of it. All right, but the setup is not the signal. The setup is one thing, the signal is another thing, and the entry point at a low risk entry point, paying attention to the market stable data, the trading triangle, and focusing on the ability to trade. All right, look at this pattern here. It's 3 channels. All right, because I know this pattern, what I'm showing you here, this pattern is a 3 channels. You can see the red one. You see the red line here. There's another red line here. It's a horizontal channel, the red channel. Okay. There's another red here. Another red here. It's a horizontal channel. Here, another red is a horizontal channel. Now there is a blue section here. You see the blue line? It's a blue, two blue line here. This is a rising channel here in this section here. Okay, you see again here, blue and blue is a rising channel, and a blue and blue here. This the other side you can see is another rising channel. And again here we have a green and a green. This is a declining channel. The green declining channel, another green declining channel. I hope my voice following my cursor. You see here. Okay, this is a green and green parallel. You see, it's a declining channel. In fact, we have three channels here. Okay, horizontal red channel, rising blue channel, and a green, okay, declining channel. Now it becomes clear to you. You may think to me, George, what is nonsense you are showing us to us? Okay, you may see this is just nonsense. Okay, but it's not a nonsense. It's a pattern of a three channel, a pattern that they reveal to us what the price is doing all the time. Horizontal channel when the price is not going anywhere, low volatility period, rising channel for dynamic bullish momentum, and a declining channel for dynamic bearish okay progress. Okay, so now you see this pattern, you recognize it now. Next time when I put it on our video, you will know straight away what's the meaning of this pattern. Okay, the same thing when we have the 13 stochastic pattern, we know exactly what is this pattern. Okay, so you see the pattern, you will know, so you understand the language of the stochastic, and you will wait for a clear cut signal and select a low risk entry point. It makes sense, and it's also powerful. The market is full of patterns: the stochastic pattern, the price pattern, the market pattern, the diagonal vertical move patterns. Now we have 13 specific stochastic pattern. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday the stochastic has given us a bearish indication for the Euro USD. As you can see, the price is rolling it down. All right, these are powerful trading tools. I invite you now to see for yourself, okay, the 24SP. 24SP stand for 24 stochastic pattern. You go to www.stochasticmarket.com. You click on the web store right here where I'm moving my cursor, web store, and then you select 24SP. The 24SP stand for, okay, 24 stochastic pattern. It's not 24 SP, it's a 24 stochastic pattern. It's a trading material that reveals 13 specific stochastic pattern. Nothing else. Nothing else. Three things are important in trading: the setups, the signal, and the entry point. A lot of traders do not have a focus. They don't know how to trade. No, they can trade, but they don't know how to focus. When you are focusing first on the setup. Then you will focus on the signal, and then you will focus on the entry point. Without focus, there's no progress. The patterns expose the best setup. Ladies and gentlemen, I will say this again to you. The patterns expose the best setup. The price for this 24SP is 80 sterling dollar, 80 sterling pound, not sterling dollar, sterling pounds. Okay, 80 sterling pound. When we convert that into US dollar, that's 128 US dollar. So 80 sterling pounds, which is using the conversion of 1 sterling pound for $1.60, we have 128 US dollar. This is about the 24SP. The 24SP, as I told you, is not a trading system, but it's a trading material that reveals to traders 13 specific stochastic pattern with excellent examples that tell you exactly what to look for, how to identify the pattern, so you too also can take advantage of these powerful okay, setups that the market is revealing to us. As I explained to you, three things are important in the market: the setups, okay, the signal, okay, and the entry point. All right, the setups will usually take place on another time frame, the signal on another time frame, and the entry point. Those who have, okay, excellent trading tool, excellent trading system, top-down trading system, together with 13 specific stochastic pattern, one will be able to make a better trading decision. As I explained to you before, the most important trading tool is the trader. Remember the second three things that I said to you: the market stable data, the trading triangle, and the ability to trade. Returning the focus on the trader, okay, himself or herself. You can click on the picture, okay, and then you have this screen here, okay. So you see now, all right. Okay, and now you can also, okay, there's a two picture I put here. The one you can see, another, the second one is here. Okay, you click on it and then you click on the bigger one. Yeah, here it is. You see the side, there's no red here. The first one I'll show you again, and you can see, okay, now it's changed here. You see the red one, and then you click on the bigger one, and right it is, and then you can close it here. Okay, to purchase the 24SP, you just click on the add to cart here, okay, and the page will open for you, and then you can purchase the 24SP, a powerful trading material that I highly recommend, okay, to all, okay, traders. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the Euro USD that yesterday revealed to us a specific stochastic pattern, okay? Now, for those who are TSTWSYS008 traders, you will receive, okay, for free the 24SP, okay, trading tool, okay? All TSTWSYS008 traders will receive for free, okay, the 24SP trading tool, but they will receive it at the end of October 2012. Repeat, do not send me any email before that asking for your free, okay, 24SP trading tool. You will receive it if you are a TSTWSYS008 trader. You will receive it at the end of October 2012. However, if you are a TSTWSYS008 trader and you want to receive the 24SP trading tool before the end of October 2012, you must recommend this trading tool to somebody, and if the person purchases it, okay, you will get it straight away at the same time that the person, okay, purchases the 24SP trading tool. So for instance, if you are TSTWSYS008 trader, and for instance, you recommend your friend John, and your friend John, okay, successfully purchases the 24SP trading tool. At the same time that you will send us email and say, George, okay, I recommend this person to purchase the 24SP trading tool. This person has now completed the transaction. Once everything is successful, the person successfully purchases, okay, the 24SP trading tool. We will send you also straight away your free, okay, 24SP trading tool. But if you do not want to do that, you have to wait until the end of October to receive your free 24SP trading tool. This is about 13 specific stochastic pattern. Now, the next step, for those who are TSTWSYS008 traders, you will receive, okay, this 24SP trading tool for free, but at the end of December 2012. Repeat, all TSTWSYS008 traders will receive for free the 24SP trading tool, okay, at the end, only at the end of okay, December 2012. But however, if you want to receive it before that, you need to recommend a friend, and your friend should successfully purchase it, either TSTW24 or TSTWSY08 or TSTWSY08 or the SP, okay, 24SP trading tool. So for instance, if you are TSTWSY08 or 008 trader, you want to get your trading tool before your due date, you must recommend a friend that will purchase either TSTW24 or TSTWSY08 or 008 or the 24SP trading tool. I hope I make myself very clear. If you want to clarify that, you can also send me a quick email and I will get back to you. Okay, remember that for TSTW24 traders, okay, we do not give the 24SP trading tool for free to TSTW24 traders. However, if a TSTW24 trader wants to receive the 24SP trading tool for free, he needs to recommend a friend to buy either TSTW24 or any other TSTW, or to purchase the 24SP trading tool. However, we do not give for free the 24SP trading tool to TSTW24 traders. But if they want to have it for free, they need to recommend a friend that successfully purchases either TSTW24 SYS08 or SYS08 or the 24SP trading tool. Ladies and gentlemen, as I shown you already in this video, there are many patterns in the markets. In exactly 2 minutes time, New York will be open. The market will expose again different patterns. Either it's a Fibonacci pattern or Elliott wave pattern or stochastic pattern. Will you be able to recognize it every day on many time frames, either on the hourly chart, on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, on the quarterly chart? Stochastic patterns are clear and neat. As I explained to you yesterday, there was a clear-cut stochastic pattern for the Euro USD, a bearish pattern. So far, the Euro is going down. Last week, 2 weeks ago, I posted a video on YouTube when I revealed to traders a specific stochastic pattern. But there are in total 13 stochastic pattern that you'll be shocked that you will not believe, that the stochastic is exposing all the time. At that point in time, you will also become, a better trader, that will allow you to see clearly, that you will put into practice the tradings, the setup, the signal, and the entry point. I hope you have enjoyed this video about, the 13 specific stochastic pattern that you will put into use to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. To purchase the 24SP trading tool, one need to go to www.stochasticmad.com. Thank you for watching.